Tezin Maushan has only run 110,000 kilometers and there is no level 4 network capacity, and the internet network is consumed. This situation does not require spending a few W to replace the host computer, and it can be repaired. Did Han Nan drive it here? How many kilometers did this car have? The mileage is almost over 110,000. There is no driver network right now. About half a month. One, two, four. They'll go first. This is the characteristic host computer. It does not have a FORG network. It is broken. Let's take it apart and repair it. Take apart the host computer. Test it first. It means the chip is broken. Remove it and replace it with a new one. It seems you. Power on and test the stimulation box. If it is normal, put the host computer back in. Let's take a look at the driver's network. The Tesla computer host has been repaired and the number of cars has been saved. The audience has just helped you understand electric cars better.